Are you overwhelmed with juggling multiple clients, projects, or accounts? You feel like you could accomplish more, but keeping all of your online identities separate and secure while you work is really slowing you down. You've tried juggling multiple browsers, maintaining clunky profiles, and other multi-account management solutions that just don't cut it. You need a time-saving, productivity-increasing, headache-reducing solution. Meet Ghost Browser, the productivity browser for people who work in the web. Our web browser is easy to use and lets you manage all of your accounts in one browser window, increasing your productivity, keeping you organized, and saving you hours of time throughout your work week. Our industry-first proxy management solution and extra privacy features keep your accounts separate and secure so you can manage multiple accounts without the fear of data leaks. Since the internet is your office, you deserve a browser that helps you stay organized and keeps your accounts safe so you can breeze through your work with confidence. We know that you're already busy and that switching browsers probably sounds time-consuming and complicated. But with Ghost Browser, it couldn't be easier. You'll be up and running in under a minute with our easy import feature that lets you import your browser settings and even your Chrome extensions. Try Ghost Browser today to save hours of time, increase your productivity, and feel more confident in your work.